How to replace a laptop battery. I think this video will help you to understand how to insert and remove laptop battery. After watching this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. First, identify battery location and next you can unlock the battery. After unlocked, battery can be removed just like this. In this operation, don't forget to remove it slowly and do this work carefully. Now battery removal operation is completed. So, you can identify power input and output pins and then you can clean those place. But in this video I'm not showing how to clean them and hope to describe such information in another video. Okay, now we look how to insert a laptop battery. First, identify rail area of the both sides of battery and laptop's battery containing area. You can carefully mount the battery into laptop computer just like this. I think red arrow indicators may helpful to understand how to fit battery into laptop by locking particular battery with laptop computer. Now operation is completed. Then you can power on your laptop. Having studied this tutorials, now you will be able to replace your own laptop without a technician. Subscribe our YouTube channel to get new updates.